Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll go through a quick tutorial on adding chapters to your YouTube videos. Chapters can help viewers navigate through your content easily, so let's dive in. See, this video has chapters. Now let's clean it up and start fresh. I'll delete the existing chapters. When we check again, you'll see the chapters are gone. Now let's click on Edit Video and add the chapters back. Ensure that each chapter is longer than 10 seconds and be sure that the first chapter begins at 0 o'clock. After adding the timestamps and titles, click the Save button to save your changes. Now let's watch the video. There you go, the chapters are back. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in.